Plants of the herbarium are collected in field excursions, which aim to map the flora of a specific location. When an interesting plant is found, it is important to note some key characteristics useful for determining the species. Some of them, such as posture and flower color, might be lost upon pressing the specimen, so it's crucial to record them. Location data, including geographical coordinates and other relevant details, are noted as well. If possible, one should collect all the organs of the plant, like leaves, flowers, shoots, in order to obtain a complete representation of the species. Specimens are put in a field press between sheets of blotting paper, so that they don't get damaged. Plants are later transferred to a press, where they are accurately arranged to allow all important details to be visible in the dry specimen. Generally, after a week, specimens are dry and ready to be mounted on paper. To avoid introducing pests in the herbarium, which may destroy the rest of the collection, dried plants are preventively frozen. In the lab, we mount the specimens on herbarium sheets. A special non-acidic paper, which guarantees a long preservation of the biological material, is used. There are various techniques used to mount plants on sheets. At the museum, we employ water-activated adhesive strips. They are easily removable, in case the specimen has to be unmounted to analyze it. Some weights keep the strips in place while the glue dries. On each sheet we attach a label. It contains the plant's name, its description, and collection details. When the specimen is ready, weights are removed and fragments detached from the plant are inserted in a paper capsule. We store in folders specimens of the same species. They are then organized systematically in boxes.